Hey Chalk Nation, it's your girl Chalk. Welcome back to my channel. Today I woke up in a very creative spirit came over me and said, you know what, today is a great day to create, and that is what I'm going to do. I'm going to be doing a DIY flower mirror tutorial, a step-by-step tutorial to show you guys how I make my flower mirrors. I literally went to two stores, just Walmart and Dollar Tree, to get the supplies and everything that I need. So stay tuned for the tutorial because here it comes. I'm here at Dollar Tree, and look, they already got the flowers outside, and here we go. Okay, so this is the color scheme that I decided to go with. Isn't those so pretty? And then I wanted to do a backboard behind the mirror, so I got me 4 whiteboards, and you'll see why I'm going to use those. And then I also bought 4 blackboards that I'm going to use for another project, so stay tuned. Okay, so I made another stop at Walmart because I was looking for sunflowers in Dollar Tree and they did not have them. So I was like, let me stop in Walmart and see if they got sunflowers in there, and sure enough, they did, and they so big and pretty. Walmart got a whole tower of flowers. All the pretty flower towers. You can be a superpower. Okay, so for this project in particular, I'm going to be using this door mirror, and Walmart has them for only $7. So I'm going to use the color gold since I have sunflowers and all these pretty colors. I think the contrast would be nice with the gold. All right, and we are back at the house, and it's time to put all our supplies that we got together. When I got home, I pulled out a couple things from my supply bag that I already have, which is these adhesive gemstones, just in case I wanted to put some around the mirror. And I have stickers, just in case I wanted to put my name at the top. I was thinking of putting chalk at the top of the mirror, but we'll see. I also have some LED lights that I got a long time ago. Hopefully they still work, but I got these lights from Five Below. I think they were like $2 or $3 each pack. And then we have our glue gun, our glue sticks, and our E6000. So let's get started. Okay, so basically I just glued 2 boards together, and then I glued the other 2 boards together, making 1 board and 1 board, and then I taped both sides together using packaging tape. And I think I went around the board about a good 4 or 5 times just to make the board very sturdy to where it will not bend. You should be able to pick your board up and lift it without one side bending. It should be able to be flat, just like this. If you pick it up and it bends, you need to go around with more tape. So now we need to see how we want our mirror to lay, because I'm just going to use the E6000 glue to glue the mirror to this board. And I'm using the E6000 glue to glue the mirror onto the board because it's a very heavy duty glue. Anything glued with this is not moving nowhere. So yeah, it's very strong. Glue around the edge of the mirror, and you want to also put some in the middle as well so that the whole mirror gets glued to the board, not just the outer edge. Don't be shy, get it all around the mirror so that you can make sure the whole mirror gets glued to the board. Okay, so I placed my mirror on the board. I turned it over and kind of eyeballed where I wanted it to be at, make sure everything was nice and even on both sides. And then I just went around the board and added a little pressure with my hand, just to add a little pressure so it can stick really good. And then I'm gonna let it sit for about 30 minutes while I'm preparing the flowers to be put on, and that's the fun part. I decided to make my mirror a little personal since I'm making it for myself. I'm gonna put chalk at the top of my mirror, so I decided to use the letter stickers, and I'm just gonna stick them on. I wanted to show you guys how I'm gluing the flowers in the pattern that I'm going in. So what you want is a nice zigzag when you're placing your flowers on the board so that you can maximize the space that you have and cover as much of the white board as you can. If you put them all in a straight line, it's not going to look as full. So I'll go in a zigzag pattern. Okay, so this is what we got so far. This is the top half of the mirror. I've been working on the bottom half, and it's looking so good. So I've placed all the flowers, and now I'm just adding stickers to the top where it says chalk, and the mirror is about to be complete.